Stop.
Good Thursday evening of the Wardinos. Thomas and Daniel here in this video. Thomas is going to do a cold start on his Echo PV250LN handheld leaf blower. Thomas, good to do his please.
Good Thursday evening. YouTube Wardinos. Here we go.
So let's see if it's gone. Oh, man. That was so close.
Come on.
Dumb. Very dumb. Very dumb. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah.
Done. Come on. I hope you're not in any rush.
Nope. I already showered this afternoon, so I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Come on now. Want to play this game, huh?
Come on.
Oh man. Damn it. Really, you had to do that. Well,
The rope break?
it broke, yeah, it came all the way out and it didn't go back in.
Jesus.
So, if you want, we can do the other one.
I don't care.
Okay? Really, blower, you stupid Jad. Oh boy. This is why, y'all.
So I bet you have no choice now but to retire that blower.
Well, tomorrow's Friday. I was gonna call Gus actually and see if they can bring her to the shop and put, you know, they can put a new rope on her and tune her up. It would be different if the engine was seized, but obviously it's not.
Right.
Dear. So yeah.
You want to do that in this video and I can splice it?
Do what?
Make the call?
No, because I have to go all the way back upstairs, and I'm not doing that. All right, here we go. On to the next one. On to the good one. It only takes
And,
3.
but yeah, now you have no choice but to bring it to the shop, right?
Yes, sir.
Man, darn.
This only takes 3 pulls to start this. It always starts on 3 pulls.
Okay. Just like that. Yes, sir.
Right.
Beautiful.
Ouch. Okay. Alrighty then. Well.
Thanks.
Can you add her to the thing?
Yeah, once we're done with this.
Ooh.
I said once we're done with this.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Well, I would have used it for longer, but we have a truck video to do. So, yeah. And there's the train. Hey, train.
And you saw what happened to the 250 LN.
Yeah. Y'all take care.